Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to create a foreign account for yourself where you can be able to create Great Britain pound, US dollar account and European bank account. And if you're outside Nigeria and you're looking for a way to have a Nigerian bank account, this account that I'm going to be sharing with you, or bank account I'm going to be sharing with you, will be able to allow you to create a Nigerian account as well. All you just need to do right now is to stick to this very channel right now, as I'm going to be sharing with you a step-by-step process on how you can be able to get started with this particular platform and then own a foreign bank account for yourself and get started. If it's your first time to join me on this channel, my name is Again Franklin. All I do on this channel is to share tips and tricks, strategy. Once they work, I come here, I share them with you, and then you also get the same result. All you just need to do right now is to just click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification icon, and don't forget to give this video a like so that more people can be able to see this video. And the platform I'm talking about here is not as Getpay.Africa. Getpay.Africa is a foreign account in which allows you to create US dollar accounts, Great Britain pounds, and European bank account. So for those of you who are outside Nigeria, it also gives you the opportunity to create a Nigerian account for yourself so that you can be able to use to send funds here in Nigeria. This is a new platform which was launched months ago, and a lot of people are now using it and getting paid from it. So this account is similar to Gray, in which I have created and shown how you can be able to use it to receive payment on this particular channel. So if you have not watched that video, you can also watch it and be able to get started with it. Now this account is quite similar with Gray and they have similarities, but the difference between this particular Greek.Africa is that this account gives you the opportunity to have a virtual card in which allows you to use it to make online payments or purchases for whatever thing you want to do. All you just need to do is to sign up, get started, and then know how to use it and all of that. If this account is what you want, I can also do more research on it and get started with it, because they just launched months ago and they are just getting started. You need to do your own research before you start investing on it. So this Drip.Africa gives you the opportunity to create a virtual card for yourself. Recently, a lot of virtual cards are being restricted right now or withdrawing from making online payments like Barter and many others. So this Drip.Africa can also substitute or start helping you to make or your online payment with it when you create this account. So the very first thing you need to do in order for you to create this account for yourself is for you to sign up. I'll leave the link in the description so you can get started. It's my referral link. All you just need to do is to use it. Once you use it, I get some little commission once you start earning from it. And also, that's one way you can be able to say thank you for me creating this particular video. You can also use my referral code, in which is in the description there, and also get started. So the very first thing right now, once you come to this very page now, is for you to click on sign up or open an account. So once you click on this open an account here, it will take you to the very next page where you need to put in some information or details in which are required for you to be able to create your account for yourself. As you can see here, you see the requirements that are needed in order for you to create your account here: your name, your email, your password, your referral code, and all of that. So all you just need to do is to put in all this information in order for you to sign up and all of that. It also allows you to put in your NIN, voter's card, national ID card, and international passport. Depending on what you have, you can use it to sign up on this particular platform. So right now I'm going ahead to put in my name and all of that so that I can be able to get started with it. So guys, once you have been able to put in all those information that are needed, your name, your email account, and your password in which you have created with the referral code, which is in the link in the description, all you just need to do right now is to click on create, and it will bring you to this very next page where you need to put in the code that will be sent to your email account. So I'm going to put in the code that is sent to my email account right now. 18307. Then as you can see, it's processing. It will take me to the very next page right now. So all I have to do is to submit, and then as you can see, it will bring me to the very next page. So right now we have been able to create an account for ourselves. So the next thing I have to do right now, since my account has been created, is for me to be able to put in my verification in order for my account to be verified so that I can be able to use it to receive payments and all of that. So all you just need to do right now is to come to this setting aspect here. You see your profile. All you just need to do is to edit and put in all the information that are needed. As you can see here, you are required to put in your nationality, your phone number, your date of birth, your country, your time zone, your tax certification number, your passport number, signature, occupation, and all of that. All of these things are information you need to put, the beneficiary, your security, and your identification. All of these things are all required in order for your account to be approved and all of that. So all you just need to do right now is to start from the first one, which is your personal information or your detail. All you just need to do right now is to click on this icon here, edit, and once you click on it, you have the option now to start putting in all the categories or information that are needed. So I'll start by putting all my information right now. So all I have to do right now is to start, and as you can see, my name is already here, my email account is here, and you can see the right tag. This is my referral code, and I have to put in my date of birth and all of that. So I'll do it right now, and then we'll move back to the next. So guys, once you have been able to edit your profile by putting in your country, your number, your postal code, your phone number, your signature and occupation, the next thing you need to do is to come to this contractor type. You come here and you put in individual. You need to put in your state, your postal code, your address and everything. Then you come to this area where they say proof of address. All you just need to do in order for you to put in your proof of address is just to put in your bank statement, which reflects your address on it. And if you read the indication here, they say it must be within the last 3 months. So if you are putting your bank statement here, let it be within the last 3 months and all of that. So once you have been able to do that, all you just need to do is come back to this area, go to beneficiary. All you just need to do is to add a beneficiary. All you just need to do right here is to add your bank account. So once you click on this, add a bank account, so you are expected to put in your bank account. All you just need to do is to put in your currency. You put in naira. That is the beneficiary number in which you need to receive your phone from your account to your main account in Nigeria. And all you just need to do right here is to select your country, and you select Nigeria. So I will select Nigeria right now. Okay, so I'll select Nigeria right here. So once I select Nigeria here, it will bring in this other information here telling me which type of account type. I will put my local bank, then I will now put in personal, not business. Then you put in bank name. So all you just need to do right now is to search your bank name depending on your bank. So I will use my bank here, Kuda. Okay, then I'll put in my bank information here. So all you just need to do is to put in this information, your account number and everything. Then you now come here, you submit. Once you submit it, to allow you to put into the next process. Okay, they say great. As you can see here, they say great, bank payment has been added successfully. So the next thing that we are going to do right now is to go to security settings. So guys, once you reach this particular security aspect, all you just need to do is to use your two-factor authentication in order for you to activate it. Download it on Google and then you activate it. All you just need to do is to put it in and then scan it and then put in the code. This is how it looks like. Once you do it, it will bring it like this. As you can see here, you scan it with your phone, then you put in the code here and you submit. So once you do this, the next thing you need to do is for you to put in your identification. This is where you need to verify your account, and this is what is required. Your identification verification needs to be identified, your email needs to be completed, your components documents, you need to send in money, you need your daily transaction, your receiving fund and all of that. So right now I'm going to go ahead to this first one, which is my identification verification. Once you do this, your account will be verified. So this one will require me to be able to put in my passport or voter's card or anything. They say click to proceed. If you have NIM, national ID card, anyone, all I have to do is to proceed. I'll click on proceed. It will take me to the next page. Okay, and it's loading up, and as you can see here, it says select your country. Please select ID type. All I have to do is to select my ID type. I'll click on Nigeria first as my country, then select ID type. I'll do an NIMC, then I'll click on continue. Okay, all I have to do right now is to put in the information here and all of that. So I'll apply. Now I'll request for camera to access my ID and all of that. So as you can see here, I will allow it. So you can use your phone to do this and all of that. I'm using my laptop here. You can use your phone. All I have to do now is to request for it to be done. So guys, once you have been able to verify all your information in your identification, you'll be able to confirm that your identification verification is completed successfully to show this green completed. It will also show that your email account has been verified. It will also show that your compliance document has also been verified. Your sending money can also be verified, and you can see it's completed, and you can be able to receive transaction limit, which is $3,000, and your receiving fund is also completed. All of these things shows that I have been able to submit my information or the document that is required in this particular platform, and they have been able to verify. That means I can go ahead in order for me to receive my fund. So once you have been able to verify this, all of this is on your setting, you can go ahead to your dashboard right now. Once you go back to your dashboard right now, you'll be able to see that you have the option now for you to be able to create a virtual bank account right now for yourself, and also create a card, a virtual card for yourself. Now, this is why I say that this account is very authentic and is very nice for you to use. And they have the same rate with Gray.co. And if you look at this account rate here, they say that their USDT right now, they are buying USDT at 610 naira, and they are selling for 623 naira. And if you go to Gray.co, you see that it's still the same thing. Gray is buying for 615, and they are also buying for 655. You can see it's quite similar and all of that. And if you look at the Great Britain pound, Gray is selling for 746 naira, and they are buying for 725 naira. If you go to Gray, you will see that Great Britain pound, Gray is buying for 740, and they are selling for 750. So they are quite similar, and whatever Gray can do, this particular account can. Geekpay is quite unique, is because it can allow you to be able to create a virtual card for yourself and all of that. So right now, I'm going to create a virtual card for myself right now in order for me to get started. So I'll click on create a virtual card, and they're asking me which virtual account do I want to create. I'll just come here and select I want to create a USD virtual account. So I'll click on create. It will not just take any minute, it will just create immediately. So it's processing right now. So as you can see, my account has been verified within few seconds, and they have been able to give me a USD virtual account in which I can be able to use, and this is it, and all of that. I can also go ahead to create other bank accounts as I want. Now I have to select currency right here. Let me say I want to create a Euro bank account. I'll click on create, and as you can see, it will process, and it's processing right now. It's processing, and as you can see here, they say request submitted, and my virtual account is under review. You can see here, they say you will be notified when your Euro account has been approved. So I can decide to also do the same to my Great Britain account if I want to create it right now. So I'll click on Great Britain, and I'll click on create. It's also processing. It will also tell me that I should wait a little bit for it to be approved and all of that. So as you can see here, the two of them are under review right now. So assuming you are outside Nigeria and you want to have a Nigerian bank account too with this particular Getpay.Africa, all you just need to do is to do the same thing, request for a Nigerian bank account. But I have a bank account in Nigeria, so I don't need to create that and all of that. So once I've been able to do this, all I have to do is to go back to my dashboard again. Once I've been able to come back to my dashboard again, all I have to do right now is to request for a virtual. So once you've been able to create your account, you have been able to verify your account, you can go ahead to create your US bank account, create Britain bank account, and all of that. Once it has been approved, you'll be able to see it on your dashboard, and you will also receive a mail in your account or your email account and all of that. So you can also come here to create a virtual account, and to do is to request for your card, and you put in your name in which you want to have in your account here and all of that. So let me say that I want to have my name as Kelechi Franklin. So all I have, so let me say that I want to have my name as Kelechi Franklin. All I have to do is to put it like that, and then come here, put in the virtual account. So I'll leave it as virtual card. Then I'll now click on continue. Once I click on continue, it will tell me that I'll be charged $3 in order for me to create this account. I have to put in the account in which I want to be debited. So assuming that I've been able to fund my US bank account, now I'll be charged from my US bank account from my Geegpay.Africa, and then I'll just click on select it. It will now tell me the amount I want to be charged and all of that. Then I click on submit, and it will be charged successfully. So assuming guys, you have any issue that you want to rectify, your account will give you issue, always look at the information below that they will send to you. Set it, go to your settings here, you see all your information in which you need to verify. Once you have been able to verify all of these things, you won't have any issue verifying or creating your account and all of that. So if you are finding it difficult in order for you to get what you are looking for, all you just need to do is to come to this chat aspect here. You'll be able to see that their customer service will be able to chat with you within the next 30 seconds or 30 minutes in which you ask your question and all of that. Remember, they answer their question within working hours. If you are not doing your transaction, or you are not making your chart within the working hours, which is from 8 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the evening, your account will not, your chart will not be responded immediately. So you need to understand all of these things before you go ahead to chart them up and all of that. So this is it, guys. So with the recent issue Gray is having with their virtual US dollar account, you can be able to substitute it with this particular Getpay.Africa and get started with it and start making use of it and start receiving either from your Payoneer account and all of that. PayPal does not accept it because PayPal have a lot of restrictions with a lot of banks and all of that. So you need to be very careful. Don't go and start trying to put it on your PayPal so that your account will not be banned and all of that. So, but Payoneer can accept it. You can be able to use it to do some transaction. You can send funds from your Payoneer to this particular account and start receiving payments and all of that. So guys, if you have any issue or question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll be able to answer it directly for you and get started. You can also reach out to me in my WhatsApp or my Twitter account. I'll be able to chat with you directly and all of that if you have any issue. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification icon, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that more people will be able to see this video. See you on my next video. Peace.